Hi guys, this is Maria and welcome to 2019. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell button so you can be notified when I upload new videos. If you want to increase your engagement, traffic, leads and sales from Facebook, you should really keep watching this video because I am going to talk to you about the ultimate Facebook marketing software, the new and the brand new SociCake. What exactly is SociCake? SociCake is the ultimate all-in-one Facebook marketing software bundle with 10 tools to increase your engagement, traffic, leads and sales from Facebook. SociCake software has 10 tools for the price of one. Believe me, it's an amazing opportunity. Tool number 1, Rich Post Editor. This tool makes your Facebook posts, comments, and ads stand out and capture people's attention, resulting in a huge boost in post engagement, leads, and sales. You can add bold, italics, underlines, emojis, and more on your posts in minutes. Works for posts, comments, groups, and Facebook ads. Unlimited posts, ads, or comments across multiple accounts. Visually entice your visitors to engage and take action. Even Russell Brunson uses rich posts for his ads to boost his engagement. Tool number 2, Post Manager. With the Post Manager, you can create and schedule link posts, image posts, video posts, slideshows, carousel, and call to action posts. Of utmost importance is the CTA post, the call to action post. As a marketer, you should be aware that the call to action is one of the most important elements of any campaign. A good image and headline draw attention, but what makes people take action is your call to action. Facebook allows you to add a call to action button on your post. Awesome feature, but unfortunately, this is only available through Facebook Ads Manager. But now with SociCake, you can create a CTA post and schedule it across multiple Facebook pages and multiple Facebook accounts. Tool number 3, Clickable Images. This tool will help you turn every picture you post on social media into a viral traffic machine. Image posts work great to get attention on social media, but usually the only way to include a link is to add it to the description below the picture. Clickable images are image posts that redirects you to your website when clicked. SociCake helps you create and schedule clickable images that drive traffic to your websites and landing pages. You schedule clickable image across multiple pages and multiple Facebook accounts from one dashboard in a few clicks. Tool number 4. This tool enables you to create a Facebook Messenger bot for marketing, sales, and support. Bots can boost engagement on any website. Bots can respond and assist visitors when you can't. Bots can turn call prospects into paying customers. Bots can keep your customers coming back for more. Bots can become your brand's ambassador. Bots can save you considerable time and expense. With SociCake, you can create messenger bots and automation for your pages with automatic conversation flows. You can use these flows to deliver value, drive traffic, convert contacts into leads, or even make sales. Tool number 5, Messenger Broadcasting. These tools enable you to blast promotional and follow-up messages to those that have engaged with your page. You can send unlimited broadcasts to your subscribers across multiple pages and multiple Facebook accounts from one dashboard in minutes. As you may already know, Messenger is the #1 app in the US and Canada with over 1 billion active users. It is the most engaging channel with average 90% open rates and 4 to 10 times higher CTRs compared to email. Your audience already uses Messenger every day, and your business should be a part of that conversation. Embrace Messenger marketing to reach almost 100% of your prospects and clients with 90% open rate for every message sent to Messenger subscribers. Tool number 6, Comment Bot. This tool allows you to set up an automated response to everyone who comments on your Facebook post. You can set up a default response and responses based on keywords and phrases. The response will be a public reply or a private reply to the commenter's inbox or both. This bot works for you as a virtual assistant to manage your Facebook page 24/7. No sleep, no wages. Just set it up once and work it non-stop. This is ideal for Facebook advertisers who want maximum engagement, e-commerce sellers looking to boost sales, brands trying to build recognition, product vendors trying to provide better support, Facebook fan page owners seeking to grow your page, and content creators who want to build their audience base. Tool number 7, Facebook Fan Inviter. This is a growth hacking tool that converts posts like into fan page likes by mass inviting everybody who liked your post to your Like Your fan page. If your Facebook post goes viral or you run Facebook ads, you will discover people will like your post without liking your page. The solution is to invite them to like your page. While you can invite people who like your post manually, one by one, it could be extremely time-consuming to do every day. SociCake Inviter is a growth tool that allows you to invite everyone in one click. Tool number 8, Facebook Ads and Content Designer. SociCake comes with a graphic design suite for pumping out, jaw-dropping, and high-converting designs in just minutes, even if you have zero technical or design skills. You can design Facebook posts, timeline covers, Facebook ads, viral quotes, memes, and many more. It comes loaded with 1,423 premium design templates, 7.5 million stock images, fonts, icons, and illustrations, 450,000 viral quotes, and many more. Tool number 9, Opt-in Link, one-click lead capture platform. With this tool, you can create links that capture the name and email address of those that click on it without a landing page or opt-in form. Think of the thousands of people who click on your links. This tool will convert them to leads on autopilot. Landing page opt-in forms are becoming less effective. People are just too lazy to enter their name and email to get your lead magnet. Even when they do, 60% of them drop a fake email ID or use a dummy. Opt-in Link enables you to capture their best email associated with Facebook. Once they click on your link, you can sync real-time with over 15 popular autoresponders and Zapier through webhooks. Amazing, this tool, really, believe me. And tool number 10, Facebook Livecast Engine. Use this tool to upload a pre-recorded video and broadcast it live across multiple Facebook pages and multiple Facebook accounts from one dashboard. This is a complete set and forget system. Unlike other tools, there is no need to open your computer during the live stream. Everything is done from the cloud. Just schedule and forget. SociCake has 10 Facebook marketing tools that will help you grow your business. And besides, they will be adding a new tool every month for the next 6 months. As a SociCake founder member, you will also have access to their Marketing Facebook Academy, where you will learn how to use Facebook to fuel and automate your business. Join thousands of members who are using SociCake to fuel and automate their business. So if you buy SociCake using the link I am going to leave below this video, I will send you a free ebook on how to build your brand with Instagram images. So you can start 2019 growing your business and boosting your sales. So just click the link below for all the details. Remember, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell button so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, bye bye.